Hey guys, welcome back to Tea for Two. Today we're going to try our hand at making some brownie cookies. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then we need to melt together the chocolate and the butter. So to a heatproof bowl or a jug, I'm going to add the chocolate and the butter before popping it into the microwave for around 45 seconds. Alternatively, you can do this over a water bath if you prefer. Once they've melted, give the mixture a good stir until it's silky smooth. At this point, it should be somewhere between 40 and 50 degrees Celsius. Set this aside before we work on the next step. Crack an egg into a large mixing bowl, and then add in the sugar and a pinch of salt. Whisk this together on high speed until the mixture becomes paler and most of the sugar has dissolved. This should take around 1 to 2 minutes. At this point, the chocolate should have cooled a little and we can go ahead and add it in before resuming the whisking on a low speed this time. Remember to give the bowl a good scrape down with a spatula. Lastly, we're going to add in our dry ingredients, so that's cocoa powder, baking soda and plain flour. Sift that into the bowl and then again on a low speed mix it in for around 20 seconds before finishing it off with a spatula. If you're after that nice smooth finish to the cookies, you want to make sure that the batter is between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius before you start portioning it out. Here I'm using a 5 cm ice cream scoop, which will yield around 8 cookies. Feel free to use a larger one if you prefer, and make sure to leave some space for the cookies to expand. At the right temperature and consistency, the dropped batter should hold its shape on the tray with very little spread. When you're ready, bake the tray for 10 to 12 minutes. These cookies will be incredibly soft when they're fresh out of the oven, so I'd recommend letting them cool a bit before serving. And that's it. Quick and easy brownie cookies ready in under 30 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video and give the recipe a try sometime. But until the next one, have a lovely day and happy baking.